Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I want to show y'all something, guys. Now, based on this underbody, y'all can pretty much tell this is a handicap van. Okay. Oh man, a rusted out one too. Okay, but that's not what I'm tripping off of. I'm tripping off something I just saw. Technically, I can't believe I just saw this. I can't believe somebody would do this. Now, I ain't here to put nobody on blast. I ain't here to snitch on nobody. Ooh, this is ugly, guys. They had to run the exhaust, take the exhaust through the sideways in order to. So look what they had to do with the vapor canister. All right, forget all of that. I want to show y'all this. Now, you guys, y'all remember the van I did with the, I was doing the transmission and the cross member bolt broke. Look at this, guys. Look, hear me out now. Look at this. So y'all see this, right? Now, we all know, everybody know the boat's supposed to go through there. But, y'all see that? Yes, guys, it broke off in there. So, instead of trying to find, all they had to do was go to online mechanic tips and, see how to get that out. But look what they did, though. It just, now how do you do this? So technically, to make this set still with the cross member, I guess. So let's just use this side as an example. They took a drill. Bzzz. Now how did they make threads in this though? Because like I would never take this off because I don't know if I'll be able to bolt it back up. So removing the bolt, now it's really not. It's hard to tell if that's somebody's fault. You can't really blame. If you're taking something off, how is it your fault that it broke or it seized up coming off? Okay, what other options you have at taking something off? Especially a bolt or a nut or something like that. You merely going like this to come out and it stopped and you keep going and freezes and it snaps. It's hard to say if that's your fault or not. But who can you blame it on? Actually, nobody. It's just one of those things. Especially if it's not cross-threaded. Just say it went in over the years, it rusted out, it just stopped. Like, who can you blame that on? However, this can be blamed on somebody if it was dangerous. Quite frankly, that's not really all that dangerous, guys. The goal of the guy that did this is to make sure this is flush with the cross, the cradle, cross cradle. I guess that's what you call that. But this is amazing. You can do that. What is all this? Something has to be leaking over here. You don't just get a bunch of orange, rusty, corrosion type buildup under your car for nothing. What is that? Alrighty, guys, real quick, 3.6 Pentastar. I got some plugs right here. I'm getting ready to do a tune-up, guys. Now, the goal is to help this engine restore peak performance. All right, get its peak performance back that it had at birth. Okay, so I got some spark plugs here. I got air filter. I'm gonna clean the throttle body. I'm gonna do a lot of maintenance things. But here's the one part you guys be sleeping on. This right here. You see this? It's a PCV valve, guys. Positive crankcase ventilation. It is housed right here. Don't sleep on this, guys. I think the book says every 100,000 miles, but guys, no. If I was you, I would replace this every 60,000 miles, okay? 30 if you in here. If you down here in this area, go ahead and replace this PCV valve every 30,000 miles. You can see a little oil in here. It's time to get this replaced. But my thing is, you don't have to wait till 100,000 miles to get it replaced. It's fairly easy. It's fairly inexpensive. And I suggest you do it a lot sooner than that, all right? Yes, there's a change interval on replacing the PCV. In my opinion, every 60,000 miles. Alrighty, guys, here we are once more. And again, y'all remember this van? This is the one that came in about 2 weeks ago. Had to program a new key. Yeah, key is all programmed. That's not why they're in. And that's nothing special about this van, except for one thing, guys. Remember last time it was in, we was all impressed due to the fact that it has, let's show you. Y'all see that? 521,000 miles, baby. That's right. Same original engine, same transmission. I don't know what's been done to it, if anything's been done to it. Now, y'all see that? Change oil. The light, the reminder, the algorithm is reminding us to change the oil. Maybe that's why the engine went 521,000 miles. At any rate, they in now to get an oil change and some more little minor stuff checked out. But that's impressive, guys. This is a 2012 model Dodge Grand Caravan. All right, 521,000 miles. Keep your transmission service on the proper time and your engine oil change at the proper time. And you, my friend, just may reach those numbers. Hashtag short, guys. I'm back at this Durango. Let's go up under here because we're gonna talk. Yes, guys, this is coming from this engine support. Okay, some will call it motor mount. It is not coolant. Yes, it looked like dried up rusted coolant. No, but this is my personal customer. I take care of her car myself. Okay, so the coolant does not look rusted like this. So this is coming from the engine support. These are obviously hydraulic field engine motor mounts. I don't know. What's the advantage to that? I have to do some more research. Might have something to do with the suspension on this setup. But at any rate, I got to get, you can see right there, guys. Yes. Now, as far as this right here, yes, this is definitely my condenser leaking. But I only got that one side leaking, so I'm going to find out if she want to do both or just this one. But yes, guys, this is not dried up coolant. This is hydraulic fluid from the motor mount. All right, hashtag sure. Ooh, welcome back, man. Real quick. So, Raj Bra, I want to know, what do I think about the caps that go on the battery post to help secure a better connection? Guys, I'm against that. Now, keep in mind, I'm against it for the newer cars. Remember, guys, the newer cars are solely computer dependent. Okay, any kind of spikes or loose connection at the battery can actually render your modules unusable, unworkable right now. It can break things like your transmission. Your transmission can all of a sudden not be shifting. So I'm against that on newer cars. When I say newer cars, I'm talking like this is like a 200, maybe 2015 model. A car like this. No. Don't do that, guys. If the connection is loose because the terminal is loose, get a new terminal. If it's loose because the post is loose, get another battery. All right, no screws or nails of anything of that sort on these, guys. Older car, yes, that would work. If you got an older car, go for it. I've done it on older cars, but not the newer stuff, Raj. All right. Alrighty, guys, another real quick online mechanic tips. Okay, guys, getting ready to do an oil filter adapter housing on this minivan. Yes, I got the new parts right here. Got to take the old one off. Yes, guys, y'all see that big old M right here? Mopar or no car? None of that freaking Derman stuff over here. All right, let me give you a reason not to panic, okay? Guys, y'all know it takes a special tool to remove these, right? E8, I want to say. Well, mine is missing. If yours is missing, still, do not panic, okay? We do not want to panic. Whatever you do not panic. All right, guys, socket that would work. It's simple, a quarter-inch socket, okay? Yes, get you a real good quarter-inch socket, guys. Last thing you want to do is strip that bolt out, all right? Or strip the head of that off. It works just as fine. That is nice, tight, and snug, okay? And grab your ratchet, by the way, and go ahead and take that off, guys. So do not panic if you can't find your E8 like I can. I don't have no idea where it is. Somebody borrowed it and bring it back. But whatever you do, don't panic.